watch the video we posted before this, go watch it. So we are going to do trying to get cars to honk at us. So guys, we're gonna keep going like this. When cars come by, and then if they honk, you have to give us one like. So every time someone honks, you have to give us a like.
Yeah.
And if they don't honk, you have to subscribe. So
go. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, you have to subscribe now.
And then every other time, if you subscribe, you have to like every time. Let's go! Okay. There's another car. Guys, do it with us. Do it with us if you're at home. They looked at us.
Do it with us so we can get more likes and so we can get more honks.
They literally looked at that car. No, they looked at us.
Okay, guys, you have to subscribe twice.
Oh!
Subscribe! Guys, we're gonna end the video at the 5-minute mark. 2 minutes right now. Let's go.
Look, animal tracks. Look. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. They went into the road. Here. Car! No. Yeah. No.
Guys, he's throwing snowballs at cars. There's another car coming. Guys, Jaden just hit a car with a snowball. Like, literally. Okay, we're at the 3-minute mark. Let's go.
Guys, actually, Stacy, don't tell.
I won't.
I didn't mean.
I was telling you.
I know. I was just trying to like put it right in front of them, like
Okay,
on
no
the
more.
road, so they would run it over.
Okay, no more. Okay? No more.
This is what I'm only
Oh my
gonna
God,
do.
look, this is satisfying. Look, ready? See what pushes it down. Looks like it makes that hurt. Okay, guys, we're just chilling. Let me check the time limit. All right, we're at 4 minutes. Come on, cars.
No, Macy, we'll do it a bit longer than 5 minutes.
So we're actually gonna do it. Oh my God, guys! Look at the.
How about 7?
Look at the prints that my shoe made in the snow. Car! Car!
How about we just wait? If it's an old person, we'll wave. If it's a young person, we'll
Okay.
tell them to honk. These old people don't know what they're doing.
Yeah. Yes, for old people, we're gonna wave. For like young people, like teenagers or like adults, we're gonna honk. So stay tuned.
Old person?
you guys better be subscribing. If you're not,
You guys have to subscribe. We're gonna end the video here. No, Macy.
wait, we're gonna do a different video of where we're just waving and see if they wave back.
Yeah. So guys, 6 minutes, 1 more minute, and we'll end. So
Then we're gonna do another video
yeah,
that we do.
just I'm saying, hope you have a good time watching the rest of this video.
It's gonna be really funny. And then the next video, we're gonna do a video where we're just waving
Yeah. So
and see if they wave back. Kindness is a thing.
yeah. So we're gonna see how many people are kind to us and how many people aren't.
You guys have to like. Okay, we're gonna stand right over there. Over there, car. Guys. Jaden. Go. Yeah. It was a woman. Okay, guys. We're gonna end the video here. It's been 7 minutes. We're gonna make another video. Go check it out.
Bye.